The CCFP V501 indicator for MetaTrader 4 measures currency strength for the 8 major currencies. It gives you an idea about what currency pairs to trade for better trend prediction. Traders look to buy a strong currency versus a weak currency or sell a weak currency versus a strong currency. The indicator appears in a separate MT4 chart window. For scalping and day trading purposes, the indicator tends to work the best during the London and American trading sessions on the M5 and M15 charts. The real-time currency strength indicator for MetaTrader 4 analyzes and demonstrates currency strength for 8 major currencies. It displays the relative currency strength for the following major currencies: USD, EUR, GBP, JPY, AUD, CAD, CHF and NZD. It basically indicates which currency pairs you should trade and which to avoid. In essence, you should always trade a strong versus weak currency. Key takeaways: rank strong and weak currencies in a sub-MT4 window. Many traders love this indicator. Use together with an existing strategy to confirm the buy or sell trade. Learn below how to open buy and sell trades with the real-time currency strength Forex MT4 indicator. Once you've found what you were looking for in the CCFP window, you can now use the CC window to find an entry. The combination of these two indicators is great and will almost always keep you on the right side of the market, because you are following the strengths and weaknesses of the two involved currencies. In this article you will learn more about the weakness and strength of currencies and how this affects the market direction. You will also learn which currency has to be strong to move a pair to the upside and vice versa. Afterwards I will quickly explain the different settings of the cluster indicator CC and CCFP updated indicator for MT4. At the end of this article there will a strategy that is based on this indicator and some examples shown. The Forex market offers a lot of different opportunities for you to trade. You will notice that all the instruments consist of two currencies, meaning that you can trade the development of their relationship. Each of these two currencies has influence on the movement of the pair, which means that one currency getting stronger can have a huge impact on all the pairs it is involved in. Let's for example take the GBP pair. This pair displays the relationship between the GBP and the Japanese yen and thus changes if the strength of either of these changes. If the GBP gets stronger, this pair will move up, and if the GBP gets weaker, the pair will move down. However, the strength of the JPY can also change at the same time. A stronger JPY will move the pair to the downside, while a weaker JPY will move it to the upside. As you can see, it is quite important to know about the current strength and weakness of both the currencies of the pair you want to trade, because both currencies have an influence on the movement. Large moves